Hi, this is our daily life. I'm Kate and I'm
the main character of this episode.
No, I'm not. Mary is the main character of this
Ang ganda ko
episode.
pala ngayon!
Oh my god. No.
No?
Hi, I'm so pretty and I'm gonna upload this
Where's
later.
our chill? Nasa puerta kami, we're chilling out.
Chilling.
with the green mango.
This is episode 5, part 2.
Entitled The Green Mango
Mango.
with some shrimp.
Hey.
Picturing.
Picturing.
Tagyawat. Masarap. Anong lasa?
English tayo dapat
Lasa
lagi.
mangga.
Huwag kayo magtatagalog pag nag-video tayo.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
How?
How delicious? Rate from 1 to 10.
Pain scale 1 to 10.
Delicious scale. 1 to 10. Oh my god, this green mango, it's beyond perfection.
It's so irritating. Kate is so irritating.
Is it? Is it? Am I irritating? Am I?
December 4, 2014. Documentary. Di ba documentary naman talaga to? Daily life.
December 4, the
December
4th of
4.
December 2014.
What time
In the
is it
college,
right now?
It's
It's like 1:30.
around 1:30 and
Yeah.
we're from the College of Physical Therapy and my breath smells like
Yeah.
shrimp paste. Oh my god, it's kind of disgusting.
Nakakairita!
sure.
Tama na! We're gonna end this now because Kate is so disturbing.
It's kind of bothering her. I don't
bothered.
know why.
I'm stressed.
You're stressed, yeah. You're
Okay, so
forever
goodbye.
stressed. Goodbye. This is a signature kiss.
Do you want to say goodbye or do you want to continue this?
Oh my god, we're like so great in speaking English.
Yeah. And so bye. You
So
want to
bye.
add
So bye.
something?
Oh, just ended.
Just end that. Just
It's
end
kind
it.
of disturbing. It's kind of bothering.
Bye-bye.
The cold
Wait,
never
what's
bothered me
bothering
anyway.
Look at the environment. The
Environment. Look at the freaking surroundings.
It's like traffic, so nakakatamad umuwi. So we're like chilling out here na lang.
Actually, yeah. We're just like documenting our daily life.
Yeah.
Hashtag daily life.
Ano talaga to?
Life. This is every minute life.
It's not freaking daily. It's every minute daily life.
And so we're like pa-cute always.
No, you only, not me. Because
Your accent is so pa-cute. Nakaka-irita.
really, my accent is like so good.
Look at the halaman there.
Halaman is
And
like